JEDAAI AI Lesson Series Part 12. How you can draw something and make it as a real art. First, you need to have a Jeda AI workspace like this, and then you have to click on this option here, add-ons. Okay, here you can click on icon finder and then you can get some icons if you need, but I'm going to use these icons for now. Actually, here I got a bike. Now I click on it, then you can see the bike is here. Now I got some balloons here and click on it, and also I need an airplane, click on it, and then I need a car, and also I need some clouds. Okay, that's all. I just click on those icons, and now I'm going to click on this select button and zoom the workspace, and I'm going to rearrange all the icons as I needed. Okay, great. Cloud is here, and copy and then paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, so this cloud should be smaller, and again Ctrl C Ctrl V, and this one is like, okay, like this. Here I got a car here and also a bike here. I don't need two bicycles, and I got some balloons. Okay, and I got an airplane here. Cool. Wait, I selected everything and then click on the select button, just move as needed. Okay, cool. Now I need a road. For that, I'm going to use tools, and then I'm going to get a line, but it's better to use the pen here and then draw a line like this. Okay, cool. Now you can see it got smoother, right? And also I'm going to draw another line like this, and I'm going to use some dashes like this. Just draw them. Okay, if you need to select a dash, then you can click on the select option and then you can move them as needed, not like paint. This is better. Okay, cool. Now just get this bicycle into this one and also this. Okay, cool. Now I need a frame. For that, I'm going to use the tool and then going to use this rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. Okay, cool. Now all the things are done. Now I need to select the whole drawing here. Then I'm going to use this AI option here and click on this art option here. Now type generate a realistic image and then click on this generate button. Now just wait for the result. That's all. Wow, super cool. There are some balloons, there's a bicycle, there's a car, there's a road, and also there's an airplane. So this is amazing, guys. Actually, your child can draw something on Jeda AI, then you can generate a similar image using Jeda AI. So this is cool, right? Thanks Jeda AI. This is an amazing feature. I really love this. I hope you got something from this video. Like this, comment this, and share this with your colleagues. Bye.